Hello, y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chanel. You're on Coco Knows YouTube channel. Here to just give y'all a quick update about Kissimmee. So something interesting has been happening. So I put in for a prescription refill about a week and a half ago, and my pharmacy didn't fill it on time. Usually it's I put it in on the app. Well, normally I call, but I was able to put it in. Sometimes I do put it in on my app. This time I put it in on the app. Noticed that they hadn't sent me a confirmation around about Saturday evening. So I had to call on Sunday to make sure that they have the request in. And they were like, oh no, we don't have anything. Whole nother story. So usually when I do it on a Friday, they'll have it ready by Monday because they have to order in the medication. But this time it wasn't, so I had to wait, and I was going out of town on that Tuesday. So I was hoping it would be ready by Monday for me to take with me, but it wasn't. So I have been about a week or so without it. I just want to show you guys. So this is, so you can see that I haven't opened it yet. I just picked it up this afternoon. And I just want y'all to see that it really has not been open yet. This is what the bottle looks like in case you guys don't know. So this is, yeah. And it is 30. I get 30 capsules, just kind of a recap. 30 capsules. I pay $123 for this bottle. I'm going to try to see if I can get insurance involved or find some way, maybe another coupon or something to help out with the cost, because it's getting expensive. But nevertheless, I have 5 more months. I have a 6 months prescription. This is I'm going to be on month 2 of taking it. I'm going to start tomorrow morning. But just to give you guys a reference point, if you're ever wondering like what'll happen or how you feel if you don't take it for like a week or so, I have not felt any different. My cravings are still under control. I still can't eat a ton of food. I still have to like put myself on a schedule in order to eat so that I can so my body has energy and fuel and stuff because I'm lifting. And of course everybody knows in order to like really lift, you gotta have energy, and food is energy. So I've been trying to eat all the right foods, drink a lot of water. So I've been just trying to kind of still maintain the same habits that I've had the same habits that I had while I was taking the medication. I'm trying to maintain them for this past week, and I've done really well. So if you're ever wondering like, oh, am I going to revert? Oh, am I going to be crazy, like sick or eating everything, the next day that I don't take the medication? No. Well, not for me anyway. But also this round of taking it, I've had crazy side effects. So I've had a lot of more tingling, a lot more emotional feelings. I have had issues with my back, so that and like my side, which is why I've been drinking tons of water, because the medication warns you, about those things if you don't hydrate. So that is what has been going on. I am going to start taking it again tomorrow morning, and continue on with my regular routine of taking it. Again, have it for 6 months. I'm on month 2. So I've been doing good with my eating, doing good with eating vegetables and a lot of protein, limiting starches, not eating a lot of sweet stuff. My skin has also cleared up really good because I'm not eating a bunch of refined sugars and all those additives and stuff. So I'm going to try to continue on that path. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to tell you guys or anything else you have asked me about. I don't think so. I'm still lifting and running and working out weekly, daily, try to work out daily. And that's really it. And just like I said, make sure you drink a ton of water. That's been my thing too, is hydrate. And that's really it. Let me know what you guys want to see or what you want to know. I may do, like, when I do go out to eat, do orders or show you guys like what I'm ordering, so you guys can see what has been helpful for me when I'm eating out. But until then, think this is it. That's all I want to tell you guys. If you have questions, comment down below. Let me know. I'm more than happy to answer them. Of course, I can't really tell you about, someone asked me a question about their sight, if their vision will become blurred. Everybody's different. My vision is not blurred. Like, I see really well. So I don't have, I can't tell you if your vision will become blurred or if you'll become blind or any of that. I don't know, but everybody's different. So I say take it at your own risk. So yeah. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.